Hey everyone, it's Steve here with another Friday product update. Today I'm going to give you a little insight into how we work behind the scenes. So one of the topics that often comes up in conversation with me is how do you maintain speed as a startup whilst making sure that for any change you make, you don't break any of the connections between the different systems that you integrate. And as you've probably seen from our website, we've got a number of connectors now up and running in production. So the simple answer to how we manage that is automation. And so you may not know, but every time we submit a code change, there are over 2,000 tests that run for every one of those changes. And we get instantaneous feedback if any of those interfaces are broken. So let me give you a quick example of that now. So here we have a command line, and for those of you who aren't huge techies, don't get too scared here. I'm just going to execute one command to run our tests. So this will run through all of those tests that I described. For each of these files, there's over hundreds of tests that can get executed at once. They all run in parallel, and you can see that now the test suite has finished. Every one of those has passed. So that gives me the confidence as the CTO of this organization that we're still haven't broken any of those connectors with our latest changes. And this isn't the only way we test. We of course still conduct manual tests and I deep dive into features, but this is one thing that keeps us confident in what we're developing. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.